Try these strategies if you want to be successful in affiliate marketing. Your search for information having to do with affiliate marketing has proved to be unfruitful up to this point. You have heard of it and heard that it is possible to profit from it, however you really do not have a firm grasp on what it is or how to use it. This video will explain. Take the time to see all the options and ads provided by your affiliate program. Putting effort into selecting ads that are relevant and useful to your readers, and trying out different visuals and graphics can help you find the right formula for your site. You also should switch around your ads often. It keeps your site fresh and relevant to your readers. You should never have to pay to join an affiliate marketing program. Any affiliate program that asks you to pay a membership fee or training costs is more than likely just a scam that is out to take your money. Good affiliate marketing programs are free, because the parent company earns their money from the traffic and sales you send their way. The performance of an affiliate marketing arrangement can be boosted if the webmaster and the affiliate can agree to offer an exclusive product. A purchase that can only be made through an affiliate will be more tempting to a website owner's visitors, increasing click-through and earning more money for both the webmaster and the affiliate. In affiliate marketing, you will find products you love, as well as merchants and networks that you love to work with. You must remember that the affiliate marketing business is a business, not a romance. If a particular partnership grows unprofitable, you must be prepared to cut it off, no matter how enamored you are with the partner or their products. In conclusion, you now should know a lot more about affiliate marketing than before you watched this video. Ideally, this should be the main source that you can use to get started and build your affiliate marketing plan around. Go ahead and give the tips that were provided a try and you should be pleased. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.